Kitchen. In today's episode, I will be showing you how I make this my pie, a crostata de marmelata. So I will be taking you through my ingredients, showing you step by step. Viewers, come with me and let's get started. So what we need to make a pasta sfoglia, a biscuit dough. So this is my own version. There is a lot of ways to make it. I have a flour, 400 grams of flour. I have 1.5 cups of icing sugar. You can use normal sugar, but icing sugar, that is what I will be using. I have 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. I have 1 vanilla powder. I have lemon zest. I have honey. I have a pinch of salt, 2 eggs, and 180 grams of butter. So to start, you have to mix the flour and the sugar together. I have sieved the flour and the icing sugar so that there will not be long inside. So after that, I will be adding my salt. Let's add all the dry ingredients together first. The vanilla and mix. So mix your butter. Your butter should be in room temperature. So I left my own outside the fridge since yesterday. So I have my room temperature, and your egg should be in room temperature too. You have to leave it outside the fridge for about 12 hours. Leave it overnight. So mix it until it turns to like wet sand. So as you can see, this is our butter with flour. So add your honey. Let's say 1 tablespoon of honey. Add your zest and your lemon juice. And add your egg. So put the paper, the cellophane under, and place another one on top. Put it in the fridge for at least 1 hour. After 1 hour, as you can see, let's take the film. So I have cut the paper that I will be putting in my pan. I have cut it to the size of my pan, so I spread the paper on top of the dough to cut the size. So what I will just do is just trim it. So after putting the one that I was cutting inside the pan, then I cut a little bit of the dough. I roll it, I put it around to do the edge. So I will be using my jam. This one homemade jam that I make. Abicoca and Pesca. I will be putting the English name in the description box down below so you can see. So what I will do, I will be filling it with the jam. Just put on top like this. This one that you have made, carry it like this. From this edge to this edge. So as you can see, our fruit pie is ready. Make sure you have preheated your oven. Let's put it in the oven for 180 degrees for at least 10 to 12 minutes. So viewers, as you can see, this is the pie costata malata. So as you can see, it's very beautiful. So let's give it a taste. As you can see, everything is homemade. So very soon I'll be uploading a video. So very delicious. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Share this video, share it to your friends and family. Give it a like and press all bell notifications so that anytime I upload a new video, you'll be first to be notified. And follow me on my other social media platforms in the description box down below. Thank you for watching. God bless you.